Good morning, children. This is lecture 3 of redox reaction. Here in this lecture, we will do balancing chemical equation by ion electron method. In previous lectures, that means in lecture 1, we have discussed the general basic concepts of oxidation reduction and to find out the oxidation number. And in the last lecture, that is lecture 2, we have discussed the balancing redox reaction by oxidation number method. Now, balancing redox reaction by ion electron method. Similar to oxidation number method, ion electron method is also having some rules. Let us first see what are the rules involved in ion electron method. In this method, the given reaction is split up into two half reactions, one corresponding to the process of oxidation and the other to the process of reduction. The two half reactions are balanced separately and then added in such a way that the electrons released in the process of oxidation cancel the electron captured in the process of reduction. Let us see what are the steps involved. Step 1. Similar to the oxidation number method, write the given reaction is the step 1. Now step 2. Write the oxidation number of all atoms involved in the reaction and find the species undergoing oxidation and reduction. You know about this. Now, next, step number 3. Split the given reaction into two half reactions, one corresponding to the process of oxidation and other to the process of reduction. This is a new thing. We are not doing this in oxidation number method. You have to split the reaction into two halves. Balance each half reaction in the following sequence. First, balance all atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. And then second, in neutral or acidic solution, if the solution is neutral or acidic, then balance oxygen by adding sufficient number of H2O molecule on the side deficient in oxygen, same as oxidation number method. And then balance hydrogen by adding sufficient number of H plus ion on the side deficient of hydrogen. So both are same as we are doing for oxidation number method if the solution is in acidic or neutral medium. Now in basic solution, balance oxygen by adding sufficient number of OH minus ion on the side deficient in oxygen. Next, balance hydrogen by adding one H2O molecule for each hydrogen atom needed on the side deficient in hydrogen atom. Now add an equal number of OH minus ion to the opposite side. Same as we were doing for the oxidation numbered method. Number 3. Balance charge by adding required number of electrons. This is new thing. Balance charge by adding the required number of electrons on the side deficient in negative charge. In the oxidation half equation, electrons are required to be added on the right side, whereas the reduction half on the left. That you will understand when you will balance the charge. Then only will understand which side you have to add electron. Am I clear? Step number 5. Now the balanced half reaction obtained in the above step are to be added in such a way that the electrons appearing in them gets cancelled. For this, multiply the two half reactions. If necessary, then only multiply by appropriate factors and add them in such a way that the electrons appearing on the left of one half reaction cancel the electron appearing on the right of the other half reaction. Okay, so these are the steps involved for ion electron method balancing a redox reaction. Now let us start the balancing equation by ion electron method. Question 1. Balance the following equation by ion electron method in acidic medium. The question is Cr2O7 2 minus plus C2O4 2 minus plus H plus is giving you Cr3 plus CO2 plus H2O. It is having H plus, so it is in the acidic medium. Solution. The step 1, first write down the equation. Now step 2, write all the oxidation number. Okay. So you know how to write the oxidation number. You have written all the oxidation number. Now you have to see which species is undergoing oxidation and which atom is undergoing reduction. So here we can see that this chromium Cr2O7, this is chromium plus 6, it is going to Cr3 plus. So that means it is less in oxidation number. Okay, so that means it is undergoing reduction. So this is undergoing reduction, and you can see that C2O4 2 minus, in that carbon is plus 3, it is going to CO2, that is plus 4. That is, there is an increase in the oxidation number. So carbon is undergoing oxidation. Okay, so you have to separate these two equations. See, the half reaction correspond to reduction process is this one. I also have written Cr2O7 is going to Cr3 plus, and the another half, that is oxidation half reaction, is C2O4 2 minus to CO2. This is the oxidation half reaction. Now you have to balance separately the oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Let us see what is there in step number 4. Step number 4, balancing the reduction half reaction. First, let us do the reduction half reaction first. So, that is Cr2O7 2 minus is giving 2Cr3 plus. Now, since the reaction proceeds in acidic medium, oxygen atom can be balanced by addition of 7 H2O molecules at the right hand side. Before this, we have to see the element which is undergoing oxidation or reduction, whether it is balanced or not. So here Cr2 is 2, here also 2Cr. So that means it is already balanced. So I need not to balance Cr2. Now straight away I can go for oxygen. Now here I am having 7 oxygen, and in the right hand side I have no oxygen. So that means right hand side is deficient of 7 oxygen. So I have to add 7 H2O in right hand side. Now as I have added 7 H2O in right hand side, I have to add the similar number of H plus ion in the left hand side. So here I am having 14 hydrogen. So in the left hand side I will add 14 hydrogen, H plus. Okay, now my oxygen and hydrogen both are balanced. Now I have to look for charge. Now in left hand side I am having, this is 14 plus charge. See here, 14 plus charge, and I am having only minus 2 charge. So my total charge in the left hand side is plus 12. Now see in the right hand side. Right hand side, here I am having 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So I am having 6 plus charge only. Now what I have to do? I have to balance the charge by adding 6 electron in the left hand side. I can do that because it is 12 plus charge. So if I'll add 6 electron in the left hand side, my charge will be balanced. Okay. So my balanced reduction half reaction, what I'm getting, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6E minus is giving you 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. This is my balanced reduction reaction. Similarly, I have to do it for oxidation half reaction also. Now, balancing oxidation half reaction. My oxidation half reaction is C2O4 2 minus is giving you 2CO2. Now see whether the carbon is balanced or not. On the left hand side carbon is 2 and right hand side also it is 2. So this is balanced. Now you have to see for oxygen. Now oxygen in the left hand side we are having 4 oxygen atom. And in the right hand side also we are having 4 oxygen atom. So oxygen is also balanced. So I don't have to do anything. Okay. Now see for the charge. I am having 2 negative charge in the left hand side. But right hand side I have no charge. So what I have to do? I can add plus 2 electron in the right hand side for balancing the charge. Okay. So this is my oxidation half reaction which is balanced one. So what is my balanced oxidation half reaction? That is C2O4 2 minus is giving you 2CO2 plus 2E minus. Now I got oxidation half reaction just now and I got already reduction half reaction also. Now these two should be equate. Okay, let us see what is there in the next slide. Now my oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction, I have to write both the reaction here. Now my reduction half reaction is Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6E minus is giving you 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. And my reduction half reaction is C2O4 2 minus is giving you 2CO2 plus 2 electron. Now you have to add these two reactions. Now you can see that in the first reaction there are 6 electrons and in the second reaction there are 2 electrons. So we have to equalize the electrons. How? Multiply this equation by 3. Okay. Now after multiplication what I am getting? This electron, the second one, the electron is becoming 6. So this electron and this electron is getting cancelled. Now what I am getting? Cr2O7 because I am adding both the reaction plus C2O4 2 minus, but I have multiplied it with 3. So it will be 3C2O4 2 minus. Now plus 14H plus is giving you 2Cr3 plus 3 2s are 6 CO2 plus this 7H2O. Now you can check, you will find that everything is balanced. So this is my balanced redox reaction by ion electron method. This is little easier than oxidation number method. Question number 2. Balance the following equation in basic medium. The question is CrOH whole 3 plus IO3 minus is giving you CrO4 2 minus plus I minus. First, you write down the question. Second, write down the oxidation number of all the elements. And now you have to see which one is going for reduction and which one is going for oxidation, and you have to separate the two reactions, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. So this CrOH whole 3, this is plus 3, it is going to CrO4 2 minus, where chromium is plus 6. Now you can see that plus 3 to plus 6, that means there is an increase in the oxidation number. So that means this is oxidation half reaction. This is oxidation half reaction. And I can see that IO3 minus is going to I minus, where left hand side I is plus 5 and the right hand side I is minus 1. That means there is a decrease in oxidation number. So this is reduction. This reaction is reduction half reaction. So after this, I have to balance oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction separately. Okay. Now first, balance the oxidation half reaction. So what is my oxidation half reaction? CrOH whole 3 is giving you CrO4 2 minus. Now leave a space in between so that if you want to add something, you can add it here. Now first you have to see for the chromium whether it is balanced or not. Now chromium in the left hand side 1 and the right hand side is also 1. So I can straight away go for oxygen and hydrogen. Now this reaction is going on in the basic medium. Now for basic medium, oxygen atom is balanced by adding OH minus ion in the side which is deficient of oxygen atom. Now in the left hand side we are having 3 oxygen atom and in the right hand side we are having 4 oxygen atom. So left hand side there is deficient of 1 oxygen atom. So what we have to do, we have to add 1 OH minus ion in the left hand side. Okay, after that we have to see for the hydrogen. If the hydrogen is less, then we have to add that many number of H2O molecule in the side where hydrogen is deficient. So here in the left hand side we are having 3 and 1 4 hydrogen atom, but in the right hand side we are having no hydrogen atom. So I have to add 4 H2O in the right hand side. Now as I have added 4 H2O in the right hand side, I have to add the same number of OH minus ion in the left hand side again. So I have added 4 H2O in the right hand side. So I have to add 4 OH minus ion in the left hand side also. So what I'm getting now? CrOH whole 3 plus OH minus plus, this will be 4. 4 OH minus is giving you CrO4 2 minus plus 4H2O. So what I'm getting, CrOH whole 3 plus 4 and 1 5 OH minus is giving you CrO4 2 minus plus 4H2O. Now I have balanced chromium, oxygen and hydrogen, but I have not balanced my charge. So I have to check for the charge now. Now here in the left hand side there are 5 negative charge. and in the right hand side I am having 2 negative charge. So to balance it, I have to add 3 electron in the right hand side. So my oxidation half reaction, that is the balanced oxidation half reaction that I am getting, CrOH whole 3 plus 5OH minus is giving you CrO4 2 minus plus 4H2O plus 3E minus. This is my balanced oxidation half reaction. Okay, now I have to balance the reduction half reaction. Now reduction half reaction is IO3 minus is giving you I minus. Now I is already balanced. C for oxygen. Here we are having 3 oxygen in the left hand side. Don't forget that the reaction is moving in a basic medium. Okay, so I have to add 3 OH minus in the right hand side, because right hand side there is no oxygen. Now as I have added 3 OH minus in the right hand side, then the 3 hydrogen is coming in the right hand side. So to equalize that, I have to add 3 H2O in the left hand side. Now as I have added 3 H2 in the left hand side, again I have to add 3 OH minus in the right hand side. Same number of OH minus I have to add. So total what I am getting, IO3 minus plus 3H2O is giving you I minus plus 6OH minus. Now I have to balance the charge. Now in the left hand side I am having only 1 minus charge, and in the right hand side I am having 1 minus charge and 6 minus charge, so it is total 7 minus charge. So to equalize that, I have to add 6 electron in the left hand side. So the balanced reduction half reaction, what I am getting, IO3 minus plus 3H2O plus 6E minus is giving you I minus plus 6OH minus. See here, this is also giving IO3 minus plus 3H2O plus 6E minus is giving you I minus and 6OH minus. This is the balanced reduction half reaction. Now I have to add oxidation half reaction and the balanced half reaction. Okay. Now you have to add both the reactions. This is your oxidation half reaction. This is your reduction half reaction. Now you can see that the electrons are not equal. This is 3 electrons and here it is 6 electron. So the first equation has to be multiplied by 2 for equalizing the electrons. As you are multiplying the first reaction with 2, that means electron and electron gets cancelled. Now what I am getting, 2 will be multiplied with all. So I am getting 2 CrOH whole 3 plus this one I am writing first IO3 minus. Then this is 5 2s are 10 OH minus plus 3H2O in the left hand side. And in the right hand side I am getting CrO4 2 minus and 2 has to be multiplied. So 2 CrO4 2 minus plus 2 4s are 8 H2O, and here it is I minus and 6 OH minus. Okay. Now 2 CrOH whole 3 plus IO3 minus, and then bring the OH in the left hand side and take H2O in the right hand side. So this is 10 OH minus, 10 OH minus, and from the right hand side 6 OH is coming in the left hand side, so it is equals to minus 6 OH minus. So total I am getting 4 OH minus. That is written here, 4 OH minus. And take the H2 in the right hand side. So in the right hand side we are having 8 H2O. With this 3 H2O is coming as subtraction, 3 H2O. So it is, we are getting 5H2O. So this is 5H2 in the right hand side. So the overall balanced equation is 2Cr, this one, 2CrOH whole 3 plus iO3 minus plus 4OH minus is giving you 2CrO4 2 minus plus I minus plus 5H2O. I hope you have understood. Next, again balance the following equation proceeding in basic medium by ion electron method. MnO4 2 minus plus H2O is giving you MnO4 minus plus MnO2 plus OH minus. After writing the equation, write down all the oxidation number. After writing the oxidation number, you can see that it is MnO4 2 minus 2 MnO2. Now here Mn is plus 6 and here Mn is minus 4. That means decrease in oxidation number. It is undergoing reduction. Okay, reduction half reaction. So this is your reduction half reaction. Now you can see that once again MnO4 2 minus, now it is going to MnO4 minus. Now this is plus 6 to plus 7. So this is undergoing oxidation. Okay, this is undergoing oxidation. So from one MnO4 only, both the things, oxidation reduction is taking place. Okay, now see here, this is oxidation half reaction, what I have written here, and this is reduction half reaction. Now balancing of oxidation half reaction. So what is my equation? MnO4 2 minus, from here we are getting MnO4 minus. Now manganese is balanced. Oxygen is also balanced. So I don't have to do anything. See the charge. This is minus 2 electron and this is minus 1 electron. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to add 1 electron in the right hand side. So my balanced oxidation half reaction is MnO4 2 minus is giving you MnO4 minus plus E. Okay. Next, I have to balance the reduction half reaction. Now, for reduction half reaction, it is MnO4 2 minus. It is giving MnO2. Now, manganese is balanced, no problem. Oxygen, here it is 4, here it is 2. So, I have to add 2 OH minus in the right hand side because the right hand side is deficient. Now, as I have added 2 OH minus, 2 hydrogen atom is extra in the right hand side. So, in the left hand side, I have to add 2 H2O. As I have added 2 H2O in the left hand side, again I have to add 2 OH minus in the right hand side. So total what I am getting, MnO4 2 minus plus 2H2O is giving you MnO2 plus 4OH minus. Now look for the charge. This is minus 2 charge and here it is minus 4 charge. So that means left hand side is deficient of 2 electron. So 2 electron can be added here to balance the charge. Okay. So what I am getting, my balanced reduction half reaction, MnO4 2 minus plus 2H2O plus 2 electron is giving you MnO2 plus 4OH minus. Now you have to add both the reaction. Now adding both the reaction, the first reaction is this one and the second reaction is this one. Now the first reaction E is only 1 and the second reaction it is 2. So the first reaction should be multiplied by 2 for equalizing the electron. Now after multiplying, the electron gets cancelled. What I am getting, 2 will be multiplied by MnO4. So 2 MnO4 plus MnO4 2 minus again, then plus 2H2O. In the right hand side, this will be 2 MnO4 minus plus MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. Now from here, bring all the OH in one side and H2 in other side, but it is given only like that. So it is 2 Mn plus 1 Mn, it is 3 MnO4 2 minus plus 2H2O. We are getting 2 MnO4 minus plus MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. This is my balanced equation. So you have understood how to do, but copy all the equations in your notebook and then do it on your own. This is the end of the chapter. Please go through the videos carefully and try to balance the equation on your own. Take the equations from other book also and try to balance it.